Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build an Encryption Standards Information UI component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek and responsive component like the one you see on the screen. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a simple grid layout. We'll use the padding class P4 to ensure our component doesn't stick to the edges. Inside, we'll set up a grid with grid and grid calls 1 for a single column layout. Next, let's add a title for our component. We'll use MB4 for margin bottom, text LG for larger text, font semi-bold for a bold font, and text gray 800 for a dark gray color. Now we'll create a container for our information using BG gray 100 for a light gray background, rounded LG for rounded corners, shadow MD for a subtle shadow, P4 for padding, and border gray 300 for a border. Let's add some text inside our container. We'll describe the AES encryption standard using text gray 800 to keep the text color consistent. To make our component interactive, let's add a hover effect. We'll use hover BG gray 200 to change the background color when the user hovers over the container. Finally, let's add an image to enhance our component. We'll use the placehold.coapi to generate a placeholder image. The image will have mount 4 for margin top and rounded LG for rounded corners. Congratulations on building your very own Encryption Standards Information UI component with Tailwind CSS. We covered how to use Tailwind's grid system, styling with padding, margins, and more. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time on Tailwind.